Hi, I am Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to add digits in front of a number in Microsoft Excel. Now let's get started.
First, go ahead and open your Excel document. Here I've got a column of phone numbers, and let's say I want to add an area code before each one. To do this, click on an empty cell next to your first number. Now type an equal sign, then add quotation marks. Now inside those quotes type your area code. For example, if you live in New York, your area code will be 212. Then close the quotation marks. Now type an ampersand and click on the first phone number cell. So basically you're telling Excel, hey, take this area code and combine it with this number. Press enter and just like that, you'll see the area code added right in front. Now here's the quick part, move your cursor to the bottom right corner of that cell. When it becomes a little plus icon, double click it, Excel will automatically apply the formula to the entire column. And there you go. All your numbers now have the area code in front. Nice and clean, no manual typing needed. And that's it. That's how you add digits in front of numbers in Microsoft Excel.